In today's rapidly evolving consumer products industry, maintaining high standards of quality, safety, and compliance is more challenging and more critical than ever before. Veeva QualityOne is the unified quality management system designed to elevate your business to new heights of operational excellence. Many organizations still struggle with fragmented, outdated systems that hinder their ability to manage quality effectively. These disconnected processes can lead to inefficiencies, increased costs, and ultimately risks to product quality and safety.
My name is Brita Quinn. I'm the Global Transformation Quality Director at Reckitt, and I'm part of the Global Quality Leadership team. We started our transformation in quality about 3 years ago, so our people can collaborate together by giving them better access to data and better quality data to drive improvement and to make their lives easier.
Veeva QualityOne brings all your quality processes into a single cloud-based solution. With core capabilities that span from supply chain to manufacturing, QualityOne ensures that all aspects of your quality operations are seamlessly integrated. QualityOne offers a complete set of tools to streamline your quality processes. Document control ensures all critical files are securely managed and easily accessible. NCRs and CAPAs help you quickly identify and resolve nonconformances, preventing reoccurrence through targeted corrective actions. Change control simplifies the management of change across the organization, ensuring proper review, approval, and execution. Audits provide a comprehensive view of compliance with automated workflows to track findings and corrective actions. Handle customer feedback efficiently with complaints, turning insights into swift resolutions, while supplier management connects your supply chain to ensure all partners meet your quality standards. Inspections automate quality checks, ensuring products meet specifications before they reach market. Risk management takes a proactive approach to identifying and mitigating risks across your operations. Training ensures employees are up to date on critical skills and compliance requirements, while health and safety fosters a safe work environment through real-time monitoring and reporting. With QualityOne, every aspect of your quality, safety, and training processes is unified, transparent, and connected. Veeva QualityOne and its common data model is designed with IT empowerment in mind. With its extensible platform, IT teams can rapidly adapt and extend the system to meet evolving business needs. The platform's robust security and compliance features ensure that your data remains protected.
Digitization and technological solutions are fundamental to driving a culture of quality and to drive improvement. They're the enabler. You have to standardize process and you have to do the organizational change management.
Discover how Veeva QualityOne can help you achieve excellence, ensure compliance, and stay agile in a fast-paced world. Visit our website to learn more and request a demo.